Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Hopeful Minimalist. My name is Sabrina, and this channel is a safe space for handbag admiration. So if you are a handbag lover, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. In this video, I have an unboxing to share. I'm excited about this one. I'm excited about the style and the color. This will actually be the first time that I have this particular style bag in this size. I have two other bags in this color from Coach. I have Dory to thank for the influence on finally pulling the trigger on this. I've been looking at it for a while, actually for months, because when I got the other two bags that I'll show you briefly, I saw this one and I liked it. I liked one of the changes that they made to this bag, which I consider an improvement, but I felt like I don't need another bag right now in this color. I still don't need it. Nothing has changed in that regard, but you know how sometimes seeing someone on screen holding an item that you have been looking at and seeing a human being like with it, try it on, handling it, showing close-ups, that can kind of just tip you over the edge. And that is exactly what happened in this situation. So I will link below Dory's video. She got this bag in a different size, but nonetheless, the influence was just something I couldn't resist. Not trying to drag out the unboxing, but I always show you my bag of the day. This is my current bag of the day, and it's about to be retired because I'm about to change into this new one if everything is okay with it. This is the Coach Soft Tabby in denim, the pink version. I'm using the chain tabby chain on this bag because it's so cute. I do not like how the chain can hit the C. So clearly there's a difference between the soft tabby and the chain tabby, because on the chain tabby this does not happen, but it's cute nonetheless, and I'm wearing it like this today. Inside I am using some Dress Up Your Purse SLGs. If you haven't checked the site lately, go check it. I believe there's still a 30% off sale going on that you don't want to miss, so go and check that out. All right, as far as bags that I already have in this color, these are the two that I was referring to. The Tabby backpack and the Mila crossbody. I almost wasn't able to recall that name. So yeah, Mila crossbody and Tabby backpack. These are both in the fuchsia color from Coach. And although they're the same color, they are slightly different. We know that this happens with Coach handbags. Depending on the type of leather used, the color can just take quite differently on them. What's interesting though is that the Tabby backpack says that it's genuine full grain leather, and so does the Mila crossbody, but clearly they are different types of leather. I guess full grain can apply to pebbled leather and to smooth leather, because clearly this one is pebbled and this one is smooth, but they're both genuine full grain leather, and the color is slightly different between the two. So I don't know the inner workings of Coach's processes in the leathers, but yeah, it's pretty complex. So without further ado, let's get to the actual unboxing. I got this from Amazon. As many of you probably know, I fully trust Amazon with my Coach handbag purchases. I don't think I've had one that had a problem where I had to return them. I have returned a couple because I just decided not to keep the bags, but I have not had a quality issue with my Coach bags from Amazon. They usually come fully factory wrapped without any issues. So hopefully that is what we see today. I see some factory wrap. Here we go. Here it is. I know I briefly talked about Coach and all of the different leathers and whatnot, and that's kind of part of what made me pull the trigger on this bag. Dory highlighted that the leather used on this bag was different, and it was completely evident in her video, and it's not something I was able to notice when looking at the bag online. So let me just show you how it's completely packaged, and yeah, here it is. This is the Tabby 20 from Coach, not the quilted version, not any of the other flankers. This is just the Tabby 20 from Coach. As I was saying, in Dory's video, she highlighted that for some reason the fuchsia color in this Tabby style is calfskin. And I was not aware of that. I had not heard that or seen that. I wasn't able to tell visually that it was any different. But it is, and it's a good different. It even smells different. It smells good. So it's gorgeous. It's like this shiny finish on the leather, and it's not as grainy as the pebbled leather versions of the Tabby. Oh, I think it's cute. This bag comes with a crossbody strap and a top handle strap. The top handle strap is longer on this model, and that is another thing that I love about the bag. That's the improvement that I was referring to. It's no longer so short that it's like all in your armpit, or, you know, forcing you to have to kind of wear it to the back. It should be long enough to where the top handle is a comfortable fit. So let me remove some of this, and we'll finish looking at it. This is the top handle strap. As you can see, it's a lot longer. And then this is the crossbody strap. Okay, got the wrapping off, and this is how it looks with both straps. So this is the long crossbody strap, and then this is the top handle, but it's a lot longer than your typical top handle, as you can see. Excited about this change with this bag, this top handle. I love it. This is the crossbody, which I think we're all pretty used to. And this is on the shortest setting. You know, I like to wear my bags high, so because this one is so much longer now, I wouldn't wear both of them at the same time. There's really no need. I mean, it still serves as a top handle, but I think the length kind of changes things. I'm so excited about this bag. There's so much I want to talk about this bag. This is my Tabby in the 26 size, and this one is in the genuine pebbled leather. And this is the fuchsia one in the size 20. This says the Tabby bag, genuine full grain leather. So I'm thinking Dory read the product details and probably saw that it was calfskin, but obviously there's a difference between the two leathers. One is very, very smooth, the other pebbled and grainy. These are both fuchsia, and as I mentioned earlier, different types of leather take the color on differently. Very different to me. This is the crossbody strap from the Tabby, and this is the Mila crossbody in the full grain pebbled leather. So the difference is unmistakable. And then this is the Tabby backpack. These are more similar, but there's still a difference. Like, I can see that this one has a little more purple in it than this. This is giving more of a Barbie pink vibe. So now the most exciting part is seeing what will fit in here. And I think I'm so excited about this because I've been on a small bag kick, and so I know how to make a bag like this work for me. And yeah, so I'm excited. I will be swapping from this bag, which is a lot larger, totally different. This is denim. It's soft, squishy, completely different bag style, but I'm confident that what I need will fit into this cutie right here, and it is so cute. Can you tell how excited I am? I was about to pack the bag without even showing you how it's made. So this is made exactly like the size 26, which I have sitting here. The closure is the same. The little mini pocket here is the same on the front. Then you have a slip pocket section right here. Then you have one of the main compartments, because I think these are pretty much the same size. One may be a little bit bigger, but you have a compartment here. Then you have a zipper compartment, and that is where the dust bag is, FYI. Then you have the back compartment there, and then you have the back pocket on the back. So it's loaded with different compartments. A lot of people don't like that. They feel like one single compartment would help you to fit more, and it probably would. Okay, I'm back, and it's tight, but it's right, okay? I have it packed. I have removed everything else from it except the price tag, because I need scissors to pull that off, but she is a keeper, and all of my essentials are inside. First, I will say that I don't think I can make use of the back pocket because it is pretty stuffed. And I found it really interesting that I feel like this bag is more stuffed than some of the other tiny bags that I've shown you lately, like the wallet on chain Lily and the other wallet on chain bag. What was the name of that? Ivy. The wallet on chain Ivy. I'm pretty confident that I have the same items from those two bags in here, but this one seems to be packed way more tightly. So that's just a thought, but so I've got my mirror in this little front pocket. This pocket is really flat. You won't be able to use that for a phone. I don't think. You could probably force your phone in there without a case, but I wouldn't want to do that. All I have in here is that little credit card sized mirror that I use from my YSL Lulu. And then I have a Chick-fil-A gift card in there. So only very, very flat things are going to go in here. As for the rest of the bag, the next little slip compartment type area, I have my cards in there. So license, debit card, credit card, insurance card, there. I feel like that's pretty secure. It's beneath the flap of the bag. While I would typically put those in the zipper compartment, I feel like they're pretty secured right here. It's not the very first pocket, it's behind that one. The next compartment, I have both of my cell phones. So considering that as well, if I were only carrying my personal phone, that would free up a lot of space, and it wouldn't be nearly as tight with only one phone. But two phones are what I typically carry, except for maybe on the weekends. I don't carry my work phone everywhere. And in the next compartment, which is the middle zipper one, I just have a lip balm and my lip gloss. And I also had an ink pen under the phones. And then the last compartment, I have got my key fob, my AirPods, and then those two little clear packets that I use for cuticle oil, lotion, hand sanitizer, and then headache medicine in this one. These keep me small bag ready because a perfume sample, sanitizer, lotion, those are the things that take up space in your bag typically. And I have them in a little tiny perfume atomizer, but I still have what I need because I don't need a full bottle to go to carpool, for example. So one final look at the inside and how it's packed, and I'm ready for carpool. And just for kicks, I want to just show you. You could put a phone in the back if you absolutely needed to. Still closes. But yeah, that's how it would look. So if it's smaller and thinner than a phone, you could probably fit something in the back pocket. Otherwise, I would not count on this for anything substantial. And she's closed and ready to go. Let me show you how this looks on. This is how it fits, and it's definitely an improvement from the length that this strap used to be. Now, it does fall underneath your arm here in that funny kind of area where, you know, it's gonna make your arm look wider, but that's better than it being here. You know what I mean? And then depending on if you pack even more lightly than I do, then it won't be really expanded, because remember, this is an accordion style bag. So that's all I have for the unboxing of this beautiful Coach Tabby 20. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this change that they've made to this leather, this calfskin? I absolutely love it. And for some reason, it feels really durable to me too. So let me know your thoughts. Do you have any of the Tabby 20, or is it just too small for you? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.